The roles for two key leaders are in focus at the moment for the BJP. One is party patriarch LK Advani, the other is senior leader Sushma Swaraj. What roles they will play in government formation is likely to be taken up for deliberations today in Gandhinagar, and of course it's been a part of the meetings which have taken place over the course of the day.
हमारी पार्टी में हम पार्टी ये पिता पुत्र और माँ बेटों की पार्टी नहीं है। हमारी पार्टी लोकतांत्रिक पार्टी है। हम लोग बैठते हैं, विचार करते हैं, चर्चाएं करते हैं और राजनाथ जी हमारे अध्यक्ष हैं और नरेंद्र मोदी हमारे अब नेता है। दोनों के नेतृत्व में जो पार्टी उचित निर्णय वो करेंगे।
इस बारे में विचार करेंगे,
देश की स्थिति के बारे में करेंगे, राजनीति के बारे में करेंगे और मीडिया क्या कह रही है उनके मन में क्या है उसके बारे में भी करेंगे और आपसे भी कुछ सलाह होगा तो वो भी लेंगे, उसके ऊपर भी काम करेंगे।
NDTV's group editor Barkha Dutt joins us on the phone line now for more on this story. Barkha, several key meetings taking place between top leaders of the BJP in the capital before the meeting in Gandhinagar, and two leaders seem to be in focus here. Party patriarch LK Advani and senior leader Sushma Swaraj. Their roles, what they will be once government formation takes place, seems to be key at this point.
Well, Kajori, the meetings with both LK Advani and Sushma Swaraj are extremely important because both leaders, if you look at the run-up to this moment, are leaders who are regarded to not necessarily be extremely close to Narendra Modi. Mr. Advani's differences, of course, were public. At one point, he even resigned from all party posts before Mr. Modi was first, in a sense, anointed to the chairman of the campaign committee of the BJP. Later, Mr. Advani was hesitant to contest even from Gandhinagar. Towards the end of the campaign, Advani and Modi may have put up a united front in Gujarat, but everybody who's familiar with the internal dynamics of the BJP knows that Mr. Advani is not in the Modi camp, so to speak. Similarly, Sushma Swaraj has kept her distance. She's kept a low-key profile through this entire campaign, and she's again not seen as somebody who's very close to Mr. Modi. So in these meetings, when you have Nitin Gadkari emerging in the role of the mediator, you basically have the BJP attempting to smoothen all possible fault lines before the results are out. They obviously don't want any problems. Suppose they are in a position to form government, they don't want internal dynamics of the party, these internal differences to prove to be a problem. So they're trying to smoothen all the rough edges before the results are out. And what we're hearing from our sources is that LK Advani is not likely to continue as the acting chairman of the NDA, a post that he currently holds. We believe that Mr. Modi may want to keep that post for himself, and we believe that LK Advani is now being considered for the role of speaker were the BJP to get the numbers. Similarly, we are being told that Sushma Swaraj is somebody who has been minister several times in the past, and she believes that commensurate with her seniority, she could get one of the top four ministries in the government. The top four, of course, include defense, home, finance, or external affairs. So while it is, of course, too preliminary to talk about portfolios because we don't even know who's going to form the government, I think the significance of these meetings before the entire top brass, Nitin Gadkari, Rajnath Singh, Arun Jaitley fly to Gandhinagar to meet with Narendra Modi, is that they want to smoothen the rough edges. They want to, in a sense, ease the fault lines in the party so as to not have any problem on the results day or in the immediate aftermath.
Right, thank you so much, Barkha, for joining us with those details. NDTV's group editor Barkha Dutt there talking about how LK Advani, Sushma Swaraj, who've not played the most significant roles in the lead-up to poll day because of the internal politics of the BJP. What roles will they be given in government formation, of course, now becoming possibly one of the crucial questions facing the BJP.